Today I'm going to teach you 5 ways to import media into Filmora 13. Let's get right away with it. Launch your Filmora. You will see your media library, and it's going to be empty as it is the first time I'm launching it, and I have no project here. I haven't added any media, so you're going to see this folder here, and there's going to be a message: drop your video clips, images, or audio here, or click here to import media. So it tells you that you can drag and drop here to upload or import your media, or you could also click. The first method I'm going to teach you is what? Click. So I'm going to click anywhere in my media library. Wait a while for my file explorer to open, and I'm heading exactly where I want to upload my video or my media from. I have some steps here I want to take, so I'm going to pick this one, click on it, and click on open. Wait a while, let it load, and there I have my video. That is one method you can use to import media to Filmora 13. Another way is after I have uploaded this media, you notice that the drag and drop option and the folder is gone, but I still have an option in my media library that I can be able to use to import media. So I'm going to click on the plus sign this time. This is the second method, and let me see, let me go to pictures. This time I want to import a picture. I'm going to click here and click on open, and there I have my file here. The third method is, let's head over to our file menu, click on the file menu, and look for import media. When you have your import media, move the mouse pointer over it, hover it, and you will see a flyout menu. This flyout menu contains a lot of information, but the one we are going to deal with in this video is import media files. All these methods here, all these options here allow you to import a media file, but I'm going to click on the first option, which you can get here by doing Ctrl+I. Now I want to import an audio. Do I have an audio? I have an audio here, so I'm going to click on this and click on open. Wait a while, and it's going to import. It depends on the size of your file and the time and your machine as well, with the time it takes to upload. So we have seen 3 methods already using importing file into Filmora. Let's look at the 4th method. That is the drag and drop method. I'm going to select this, drag it all over to my media library, release my mouse, and wait for it to import. There we go. I have this audio right here. So you could see we could import any kind of media file right into Filmora library. We have image, we have video, and we also have audio. There is another way you can import media into Filmora, and that is using the timeline. So you are going to drag and drop your media right onto your timeline. Going back to my file explorer, now I want to use this video. Drag and drop right on the timeline, and here I have an option, but I'm going to cancel this menu, and I have my video uploaded into my timeline, and it is here on my timeline and also displaying in my media library. So these are the 5 ways to upload or import media into Filmora 13.